A catastrophic monsoon crisis has gripped Mizoram. Within 10 days of unrelenting rains, 552 landslides have been activated. Killing 5 individuals and rendering hundreds homeless throughout the state. 3 fatalities were witnessed in Champai, with 1 each in Aizawl and Sach, most resulting from landslides or building collapses. The extent of the damage left officials and locals stunned. At least 152 homes have been destroyed. Mizoram's Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Department said almost 300 families have had to abandon their homes, some because of flooding, others because of gigantic land cracks. A major lifeline between southern Mizoram and the outside wall, the Aizawl-Langley highway, has been made impassable. More than 100 trucks with vital supplies are stranded there, making the situation even worse. But in the midst of gloom, there is hope in the community spirit. Locals and members of the Young Mizo Association are opening their doors, donating food and helping stranded travelers throughout affected zones. The government has directed the shutdown of all schools except Saitwal district as a safety measure against possible more disasters. The Indian Meteorological Department records 253 millimeters of rainfall in Aizawl city alone in the last 3 days, and there is more to follow, with light to moderate rain likely to continue for the next 5 days. With the rains refusing to subside, the road to recovery for Mizoram is going to be long and difficult. Survival and solidarity are currently holding the state together through one of its worst weather-related crises in years. News Desk reports such the reality.
বিয়া জন্মদিন বা আপোনাৰ যিকোনো বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে ওয়ান ষ্টপ সলিউশন এম্বিয়েন্স বেনকুৱেটছ আপোনাৰ প্ৰতিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে এটাই শ্ৰেষ্ঠ স্থান গুৱাহাটীজ ফাইনেষ্ট এণ্ড লাক্সাৰিয়াছ বেনকুৱেট হল এম্বিয়েন্স বেনকুৱেটছ perfect for every celebration. For booking, contact 7099013417 or visit 5th floor above Reliance Centro, RG Burwa Road, Guwahati. বিয়া জন্মদিন বা আপোনাৰ যিকোনো বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে ওয়ান ষ্টপ সলিউশন এম্বিয়েন্স বেনকুৱেটছ আপোনাৰ প্ৰতিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে এটাই শ্ৰেষ্ঠ স্থান গুৱাহাটীজ ফাইনেষ্ট এণ্ড লাক্সাৰিয়াছ বেনকুৱেট হল এম্বিয়েন্স বেনকুৱেটছ perfect for every celebration. For booking, contact 7099013417 or visit 5th floor above Reliance Centro, RG Burwa Road, Guwahati.